Are you looking to make money online the easiest but most efficient way? Then this video is for you. Dropshipping, print on demand, I have tried all of these, but the only thing that worked for me was trading. I have managed to become a full-time day trader following this exact blueprint, so pay attention. This will take you only 1 to 2 hours per day, but if you don't have that much time, then you don't have to watch this video. I'll see you in another one. But if you do have 1 to 2 hours per day where you can make a side income online, then here we go. Guys, we have partnered up with Quant and we are giving away one prop firm challenge account to one lucky winner. And if you want to know how you can participate, make sure to stick with me because I'm going to ask a certain question within this video, and good luck. So with the strategy I'm going to show you right now, you will be able to catch rates like this one and make a really good side income with day trading. So what we will do is we will only trade the New York session. We will use a specific indicator for this to determine the session times, and then we will use a very easy beginner friendly strategy. And as I said before, this will take up to 1 or 2 hours per day, so you will be in and out of the market quickly. So once you come to the chart, you will just simply wait for a manipulation candle to form. What is a manipulation candle? As you can see, we have red and green candles, and then we have these purple ones. One here, up here, and another one here. And this is our own concept that we have developed, and this is also our own indicator. It's completely for free and you can have it as well. Just stick with me, I will give it to you for free as well. So you will wait for a manipulation candle to form, but what is really important is that you will wait for the second indicator to be intact. And what do I mean by this? We have another indicator which shows us the session lows, session highs, the daily lows, opening prices, etc. These settings will come later on, but first let us go in depth. So right here, what we have with the indicator is the indicator has a high right here marked out for us. So I just marked this high for you as well. And as you can see, the first indicator is done. Then the second indicator right here, we get an alert that price has printed a manipulation candle. And with the indicator that we have, you can put on alerts as well, so you don't have to stick to the charts the entire session. So right here, we have the manipulation candle. We can now enter a short position right here at the closure of the manipulation candle, putting our stop loss above the manipulation candle, and we're gonna aim for a risk to reward of 1 to 2. So as you can see, the reward, the take profit, is 2 times our stop loss size. And then we let our trade play out, and as you can see, as I have mentioned before, in about 2 hours your take profit gets hit. So now let me show you another example, because this strategy works on every single asset. You can trade futures, forex, whatever you want, even crypto works perfectly fine. So here we have NAS 100, the Nasdaq index, and as you can see right here, I've marked everything out already. And right here we have a manipulation candle from the midnight and the previous day's low, but the move already happened and we were not on the chart during this session because we come in with the New York session. And right here with the New York Stock Exchange open, what we do is we manipulate to the upside, tapping into this 1 hour bearish fair value gap and then closing below this bullish manipulation candle as well. So price is confirming us a bull trap, and this is our signal to get into the short right in here, and then we just let price do its thing. We don't do anything. Yes, price might have come close to our stop loss, but that doesn't bother us. We just let our trade do its thing, and as you can see right here, we hit the take profit target again. You don't have to be watching the charts all day. After you put your trade on, you don't have to manage it. Put your stop loss, put your take profit, and then let your trade run. So what do you do if you don't have time to trade the New York session. This strategy works perfectly fine during the Asian session, during London session, and also during the New York PM session. Look at your schedule and see where you can find 1 hour or maybe even 2 hours per day, and it doesn't have to be every single day. Maybe you can just focus on 2 days or 3 days. It's perfectly fine, whatever works best for you, because I've been there. I know how hard it is to make up time for trading, etc. Just focus on what you can do and not what you would want to do. Just do what you can and the rest will follow from there. So now that we have identified the strategy that we will be using, so how will we actually make money from trading? And that's where prop firms come in very handy. So I've been trading with prop firms over 1 year now, and I've made multiple 6 figures within this year. So I definitely have the credentials to give you advice on how you can profit from this opportunity. So back then I was trading with my own hard-earned money, and of course your psychology is a bit different when you are losing $1,000, like $5,000 or even more than that of your own money. But nowadays we can use prop firm capital and pass a challenge where we present our trading skills, and then we can trade with bigger capital, and the only thing that is on the table is only the challenge fee, and the lowest challenge you can buy with $18. Really not that big of a deal. For example, a prop firm where me and my brother together we made over $50,000 payouts is Quantacle. They are very reliable. They have their own brokerage, a UK based company. You can use our code FB40 to get a really solid 40% discount and save yourself a good amount of money. But of course, depending on your financial situation, you can also choose bigger challenges and grow your capital. And how are you going to do this? So a few months back, my brother made a video on how he turned $25 into $10,000 per month. And in that video, if you want, you can watch this for a detailed breakdown. But in short, what you are going to do is you will start slow and build up your capital. And with every single payout, you will pay yourself an amount of that, but also put in a certain amount that you are willing to potentially lose in bigger challenges. And this way you will grow your prop firm portfolio in a very consistent way. And you can trust me on this. Our members who execute on this exact strategy that I have showed you today, they are getting funded, they are making payouts. So you can do the same as well. You just have to put in time and work, and if you can sacrifice just 1 to 2 hours per day, you can definitely make it as well. And if you need some additional guidance, you can join our free public Discord community as well, because we are there very active with my brother, also our members, and we help each other out, share our trade ideas, and you can benefit from a community like-minded people that have the same exact goal as you. The last but most important part of this strategy is risk management. This is very key, guys, because if you just risk everything on one single trade, you will probably not make it. Yes, this strategy has an extremely high win rate, but you still can encounter losing streaks. You may have 3 or 4 losses in a row, but if you manage your risk correctly, you will come out on top every single time. And this I can guarantee. Why? Because I have the data of years and years of trading, and I've been trading this exact strategy for the last 4 years. So what you're going to do is, first of all, if you're a complete beginner, only risk 0.51% on a challenge. And what you can do is start with a free trial from FTMO, for example, where you don't lose anything if you are a complete beginner. And if you do have some experience in trading, you can go and risk 1% on the challenges. If you are intermediate or advanced trader and you are already familiar with our concepts, then you can risk 2% if you have the capital for that. And my tip is just stick with 2-step challenges. I don't recommend 1-step challenges or instant funded accounts. I personally do 2-phase evaluations, because this way you have the most amount of drawdown for the funded stage, and that's what matters. Once you are are a funded trader and you have the firm's capital, you will only risk 0.5% and lock in 1 to 2% profits and wait for your payouts. I know it's extremely difficult to not get greedy, but believe me guys, currently I have 2 FTMO accounts, 200k, and both are just at 2% profit, and I'm gonna still wait like a week to receive the payouts. And yes, maybe I could trade today or tomorrow and make more profit, but who guarantees me that? What if I take a loss? Why should I give profits back? With prop firms guys, once you are above the break-even point, you are not risking the prop firm's drawdown, you are risking your own hard-earned money. Be aware of this and secure your payouts. Consistency is key in trading, and if you want to make it in this game, you have to be disciplined, you have to be consistent. So why is it so important to lock in those payouts? First, what I know is, okay, I'm trading with a reliable firm, I will most likely get my money, so I can trade on a different challenge in the meantime while I am waiting for my profit split. Okay, so I'm not wasting time, and I'm not using my own money for this. I'm using profits that I have generated from the markets. And this way, I was able to grow my prop firm capital up to millions. And this way, I'm making a really solid amount every single month, guys. And if you can prove yourself that you are going to be a disciplined and consistent trader, this is the business for you. It is the most easiest but the most difficult way to make money in a very short period of time on a daily basis. But if you have the strategy, if you have the discipline and the right mental edge, then you will make it. And this is the exact blueprint, guys. Our students are following this blueprint as well, and they are seeing the fruits of their hard work they put in every single day. So for the free indicators, the manipulation candle indicator and the ICT kill zones and pivots indicator, just watch this video right here and you will have also a better understanding of the strategy. You will know how to receive the free indicators. And don't forget, make sure you join our public Discord community where we can help you out. So guys, it's time for the giveaway question, and this time it's not going to be a question that you have to answer. Actually, what I want is to express gratitude and to be thankful for the opportunity that we have in this digital age. Let me know, why do you want to trade? Is it for money, for freedom? What is it that these charts make you a passionate trader? Because I know if you wouldn't be passionate about trading, you wouldn't be watching this video this far. I really want to know this because yes, trading is extremely difficult, but it is extremely rewarding as well. So good luck. I will choose the best answer from the comments, and don't forget, subscribe, like, and also share this video with a friend who you want to be seeing on the charts as well.